going, everybody? Welcome back. Got an early morning launch. We're going out here on Freshwater Lagoon today. I'm gonna go bass fishing. It's been a minute since I've done some filming. Gone fishing a few times, but haven't had any luck. So we're out here today. It's early spring. We're gonna go for some bass. I'm gonna be throwing some jerk baits, lipless crankbait, and mostly jigs with like trailers of either like paddle tails or craw. Apparently the red like fire craw is what's kind of hitting from what I've kind of heard lately. So yeah, we'll see. So sit back, relax, and I'm pretty confident today we're gonna get on some fish. All right, stay vibing. So started off throwing the red eye shad lipless crankbait, trying to search for some fish for this. Saw some on the graph, but I couldn't get a bite on this, so I ended up switching it up a little bit later. So at this point, I'd been on the water for a couple hours now, no luck. I had one bite and then lost it because I forgot to hit record. By the time I hit record, the fish came off, and I ended up just scrapping that. And then I kind of switched from that lipless crankbait went to jerkbait, no luck, and then switched over to a football jig with like a trailer, like a paddle tail trailer, no luck. And then switched over to the red chatterbait with a red craw trailer, and that's what seemed to do the trick, as you'll see later. But yeah, so just out here having fun, vibing. So, funny story actually, at this point I had the one bite, lost the fish at the bow, and then I had actually caught a fish, but in my excitement of catching the fish, I forgot to hit record. But luckily I ended up getting another one, as you're about to see, and got that one fully on recording. Got me a good one right here, boys. It's the second one of the day. Kind of screwed up and missed the first one. But yeah, got that chatterbait going. I'm gonna let this guy go. I've had him out of the water for a while. But yeah, pretty excited. I'm gonna keep on fishing and keep on going. All right. So far it's been a productive day. Finally got rid of the skunk. Caught 2 bass so far. I don't have a measuring stick right now or a way to weigh them. So I was able to get one on video. The other one. Oh, we're on. Nope. Oh, maybe. I think I'm snagged. Yeah, that's a snag. Alright, fix that snag, back at it. So yeah, this is fun. Caught 2 fish. Just out here vibing. It's a beautiful day out here on Freshwater Lagoon. 2 largemouth bass so far. Like I was saying, I don't have a way of measuring them at the moment. Or weighing them. It's gonna change now that I've caught a couple. But yeah, I caught one on video. The other one, not, but I got a couple pictures, so we'll add that at the end. And yeah, this is fun. Just been using a chatterbait with a red craw. It's the Z-Man chatterbaits. Doing really well. So we're just gonna keep on fishing, and I'll try to get the next one on video. All right. All right, just out here on Freshwater Lagoon still, vibing. Bobby over here, fishing off the paddleboard. Fortunately no bites, but hey, having fun. So 2 fish today, both fatties. That was exciting. But I gotta call it now, it's about 12:30. Yeah, overall good day, caught my first 2 fish on the kayak, hell yeah. It's mostly been this, actually it's all been this Z-Man chatterbait. I'll do another little tiny thing on it when we get back. But yeah, pretty stoked. So we're gonna head back now and call it a day. Just keep vibing.
How fast can you cruise on it?
Cruising like 3 miles an hour. Sprinting, I got it up to 5.
Oh fuck, that's perfect. That means if I keep up with you, I'm doing okay.
Yeah.